Hello, guys, welcome to my channel Unlearn and Learn. You will find programming concepts, data structures, algorithms, and fun stuff. Programming, coding, everything will be coming soon.
Welcome to next video in this series. Now we will learn error handling in Go. We can handle errors using panic and recover. So these are the two functions that can be used to handle the errors. In a program, there can be an errors like file not found, division by zero, etc. These can be handled using panic and then recover. Panic and recover are keywords in Go. If a program is about to panic, it will execute defer stack before any panic is happened. So we can handle panic in recover using deferred function call. So as we have seen defer right before, and so writing the defer in front of any function can make it push to defer stack, and here we can handle the panic. So now let's dive into code. Declare one panic function and I will put it later. So here function panic in this function. So now we will say that about to panic. So we are panic. Let's just say panic. So now we need to handle that panic. We will handle that using defer function and we'll execute there. So I will just say if L assign recover and error not equal to nil, then I will say log println printf is also fine. So we can see that if the line which is the last statement in main, if that is executed, then we can say that the program is recovered from panic. So I will just run this. So yes, so we encountered a panic and we printed that whatever the error is, that's test panic, and we have recovered from this. So there can be a function like function, let's say divide. Div will ask the get some inputs for this and return append, and then if let's say b is equals 0. Let's say panic division by 0, and we can recover that using defer function there. So, and then if error recover error not equal to nil, then allow target. So now we will call this div. So say 4, 2 in this case, and div 4, 0. So I'll run this now. Yes, so here we got division by 0. As we can see here that defer function has been executed before it panics. So whenever panic uncovered, first defer function is executed and then only that one. And if we have not used defer keyword in front of this, then what happens, that you can check once you're doing the coding. So I would suggest follow along with the videos that are being done, and do code, and you can find the links and whatever required for this basically code link and everything in the description box. Do like, share and subscribe, and see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. See you soon.